Welcome to our guide on the 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to master this subject. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your skills, this tutorial is designed for you. The 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness has become increasingly popular, and for good reason. The benefits it offers are numerous and can significantly impact your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness and the confidence to apply what you've learned. Let's start with the fundamentals of the 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness. Understanding these core principles is crucial for building a strong knowledge base. The first key concept is essential for everything else we'll discuss. When you grasp this foundation, more complex topics become much easier to understand. Moving forward, we need to address practical applications of the 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness. Theory is important, but knowing how to apply these concepts in real-life scenarios is what truly matters. For instance, when applying the 5 pillars of health, building your foundation for wellness principles, you can achieve specific outcomes. This practical approach ensures you're developing skills that will serve you well in various contexts. One common mistake many people make with the 5 pillars of health, building your foundation for wellness, is overlooking essential details. This oversight can lead to negative consequences. To avoid this, always remember to follow the correct approach. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in your results. Another critical aspect of the 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness is often underestimated. This element is essential for achieving optimal results. When combined with the foundational concepts, you create a powerful framework for success. Many experts agree that mastering this aspect separates amateurs from professionals. Let's explore some advanced techniques that can take your understanding to the next level. The first method builds upon the basics, but introduces more sophisticated elements that can dramatically improve your outcomes. With practice, this technique becomes second nature. The second advanced technique is particularly useful for specific situations. What makes this approach so effective is its unique benefit. Many who have mastered the 5 pillars of health, building your foundation for wellness, consider this technique one of their most valuable tools. It's also important to discuss the tools and resources that can support your journey. Having the right equipment can make the learning process much smoother. Essential tools include specific items that serve particular purposes and help you achieve better results in less time. Finally, let's talk about the mindset required for success. Beyond techniques and tools, your approach and attitude play a crucial role. Cultivating a growth mindset, staying persistent, and being open to continuous learning are essential for long-term success with the 5 pillars of health. Building your foundation for wellness. As we wrap up this guide on the 5 pillars of health, building your foundation for wellness, let's recap the key points. We've covered foundational concepts, practical applications, common mistakes to avoid, advanced techniques, essential tools, and the importance of the right mindset. Remember that mastering the 5 pillars of health, building your foundation for wellness, is a journey requiring consistent practice and patience. The techniques we've discussed provide a solid framework, but your personal experience will determine your success. Start implementing what you've learned right away. Begin with the fundamentals. Practice regularly and gradually incorporate advanced techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth tutorials. Leave a comment sharing your experiences or questions. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.